President and the members of the Miha Mahajan Multiracial Youth Club, invited guests, ladies and gentlemen. Bula Vinaka and a very good evening to you all. Today Fiji celebrated Prophet Muhammad's birthday, and Fiji is also now preparing to celebrate Fiji's Independence Day. And I would like to take this opportunity to wish you all a very safe and a happy Fiji Independence Day. Once again, I'm happy to be here this evening to hand over the grant to the Miha Mahajan Multiracial Youth Club from the Ministry of Youth and Sports, which we trust that will be useful to your surrounding communities for an income generating project. You will recall that the last time when I was here, I did mention that as a ministry, we are making an effort to reach out to the unreached youth and empower our youth for the future. It is good to say that 70% of our population is 40 years below. And we cannot sit back and see that we are not able to support the youth. And that is why my ministry, for the last couple of years, have been reaching out to the unreached youth and supporting them to make their livelihood much easier. Your needs may be different from the youths that reside in maritime and rural areas. I have been to Lambasa just a few weeks ago and also to Lavuka. Their needs are different from yours. Some of them's livelihood is basically the sea. So their need is different. They will require a boat, an engine. There are other areas where youths are engaged in farming. And I'm happy to say that as of today, we have assisted more than 20,000 youths under this program. And we will continue to support our youths wherever we can. These days, when we go out to our communities, and especially to our youth, our critics say that we are going for vote buying. Let me make it very clear. Whatever we are going to hand out this evening is all budgeted in the national budget. Allocations were made, and that has given us the power or the authority to go and assist our youth. And that is exactly what we have been doing all these days. And we will continue to do that. And this evening, It is more like a dream come true for the members of the Miha Mahajan Multiracial Youth Club. Because, as I've said earlier on, that whatever you have requested for, we have delivered. Ladies and gentlemen, the Youth Grant is a government initiative that aims to empower Fijian youths. Any registered youth club which has the youths 15 to 35 of age and who wish to start a business can apply for this grant. Investing in the future generations of our country is basically a smart investment by the Fiji Affairs government, as it is not only forward-looking, but provides an opportunity for the youth activity participate in the growth of our economy. Because with this, you will generate revenue. And I want to challenge the youths of Miha Mahajan that you have to take this program to another level. I also reside in Ba. I will monitor myself. And I have no hesitation in saying that, because what I have been informed by my staff based here in Ba and from your elders, you all can do it. So please make good use of what we will hand it over this evening, and also try to assist the poor that resides in this community. Ladies and gentlemen, we hope that the grant that we are going to hand over will be of practical help to the youth club as an income generating project. At this juncture, I would like to congratulate the grant recipients for successfully meeting all the requirements under the program. It's not something that we have got from thin air and are here to hand over. All procedures have been followed by your youth club. In other words, you have fulfilled the requirements of our ministry. Ladies and gentlemen, my ministry looks forward to continuing our ongoing support to your youth club. That's the assurance that I want to give this evening here. With these few words, I wish you every success with your work, and in particular, your important collaboration with government and your communities. May God bless you all. Vinaka, and thank you.